Hello students, today we are going to start our new topic of maths, that is time and work. In this question, in this chapter, we discuss in how many days a person can complete a work, or in how what is a part of work done by that person in one day by knowing the complete duration of work. So we discuss all things about how a person or an object do the work or complete the work at different conditions. Means different conditions is what? Let's suppose a person can do a work alone, then after some time another person join, then the reduced time to complete the work. Likewise process we discussed. This chapter is completely based on your discussed topic in our last videos. For example, unity method and the division, other methods also we use to discuss this one. In this chapter, we are not going to discuss any formula or thing, but we clarify the concept of arithmetic or your language. First, always remember that if we know a man can complete the work in certain days. Suppose a man can complete a man or object I am using a variable quantity x days. In case of man, object may be there. You tap water, you need a tap. When you open the tap, how many times that tap complete the container? Like this. So man can complete the work in x days. So this man's one day work or of that equipment or tax 1 day work or unit time work, 1 day work, or if work is given in minute or hour, we can use that this unit time work equals to the complete work is 1. This man can complete, means this man can do the one work in x days. So 1 day work equals to 1 upon x days. This one is a complete work. This one represents the complete work, and that x represents number of days. So it's a x up 1 upon x, and this is the part of the work. I hope this concept is clear. The very first concept. Suppose a man can complete the work. Complete the work means what? It's a one work. Complete the work in x days, total one work. Then in 1 day, how many part of work is completed? It's a 1 upon x part. Then from this you can find out if this thing is given, complete time is given, you can find out 1 day work, and only 1 day work is given. Then how you find? It's easy. 1 day work is equals to 1 upon x part. So man can complete the work into 1 upon x part. So that is your answer, that 1 upon 1 day's work. Complete the work means 1 upon 1 day's work. It means time equals to 1 upon 1 day work. 1 day's work. This is your concept. Now, suppose a person can do 1/6 part of work in 1 day. 1/6 part in 1 day. So complete means 1. Complete the work equals to 1 upon 1 day's work. It's a 1 upon 6. It's a 6 days. So likewise we discuss different questions. We discuss some questions today, some questions next video, some questions next video, but we complete the work in proper way. Always we are doing the work properly, but this time I am taking some little time to complete this chapter because every question is slightly different than the other one. So let's start. First, we are going to discuss question number 1 of the chapter. It says that A can do 3/4 of the work in 12 days. 3/4 part in 12 days. In how many days can he complete 1/8 part of the work? For this, we first find out the how many times he completed the work, then we can find out the 1 day's work. So A can do 3/4 work in 12 days. Question number 1. What concept discussed is totally different. The first question is totally different. Let's start. A can do 3/4 work in 12 days. So complete work. So A can do complete work. Complete means 1. Complete work in how many days? Complete work in how many days? So it's a 12 divided by this part, 3/4. What we have? We have 12 into 4/3, 4, 16. In 16 days, that person can complete the work. 16 days, that person can complete the work. So 1 day's work, therefore, is 1 day work. So I think first let me discuss again the clear. This is given part of your book, question 3/4 work in 12 days. So we need to find out in how many days A can complete the work, in how many days. Only total days, some days are given. So 3/4 days complete in 12 days. So one work or complete work in how many days? So 12 divided by 3/4. 3/4 part 12 days. So one part it's a 12/3/4. That is your 16 days. So okay, from this we can find out easily is 1 day work equals to 1/16. So since 1/16 part complete in 1 day, therefore 1 part complete in 16 days, therefore 1/8 part can complete in 1/8 into 16 equals to 2 days. Actually, we can need not to write this statement. We can easily write since 1 day work, 1 work complete in 16 days. So 1/8 work complete is 16 into 1/8 days. So we may write or may not write this one. So this is your solution of question number 1. Now let's discuss question number 2. Hope this one is clear to you. Question number 2. This question again says that the work of togetherness. This is an interesting question. Tanu can do a piece of work in 24 days and Manisha can do the work in 30 days. They are two different persons. One can complete the same work in 24 days, other is less efficient. She can complete the work in 30 days. how long will they take to do the work together? If they combine and do the same work, then in how many times they can complete the work? So for this, always find out one day's work everyone. Then we solve further. Let's start. Question number 2. Lisa can complete the work in 30 days. This is your given part only. From this, we are going to solve the solution. Therefore, Tanu's 1 day work equals to 1 upon 24 part. Manisa's 1 day work hope these things is clear to you. From the complete part, you can find out complete number of days. You can find out 1 day's work. Now, when they work combined. So when they start to work together, Tanu plus Manisa's 1 day work. This is an important. These two persons 1 day work equals to this plus this. 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 30. When we solve this one, we must find out the LCM and we try to solve this one. In graph, we should find out 24, 30, it's a 3, 8, 10, 2, 4, 5. 5 4s are 10, 2, 20, 360. 24 5s are no. 24 5s are it's a 120. Sorry, it's a 120. 120. 5 4 is 20, 20 2 is 40, 43 is 120. 8 2 is 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. 24 5s are 120, 3 4s are it's a 9 upon 120. This is our, if we simplify, we have 3 upon 50. We have 3 upon 40. This is their 1 day work. So they can complete work. Tanu and Manisa can complete work in 1 upon 1 day work. That is 3 upon 40 equals to in 40 upon 3 days. Means it's less than 13 days. So when they combine work, they can easily solve. Once again, let me clear. First, this part is given to you. From this part, you can find out each one's 1 day work. Always remember, if any type of combined work is there, we must first find out everyone's 1 day work or unit time work. Then, when they join, means in 1 day, Tanu complete this part, Manager complete this part, means total this part they can complete in 1 day. So complete part, complete the work in that 1 divided by this. 1 divided by this, we have this number of days. This is the concept of working formula, time and work formula. Next question. Next question number 3 we discuss. There are 14 questions are there. We discuss can complete in 3 days. In 3 videos. 3. A and B can polish the floor in 18 days together. A alone can do 1/6 part of the job in 4 days. First, what is given? A plus B can polish in 18 days. Then it says that A alone can do 1/6 of job in 4 days. One part means complete work. 4 into 6. 5.6 we divide 4 by 1.6 is equal to 6, 24 days. Why? It's a 4 by 1/6, that is 6 upon 1, 24 days. So A can do the work, complete the work in 24 days. Now it says that in how many days B alone can polish the floor? B alone, B is not given, so let again that variable B, variable X is there, that B can do the work in X days. Therefore, these 1 day work equals to 1 upon X days. So this part is clear. First, we know from this is given to us, from this we can find out this one. This is not given. We suppose that we can complete the work X days and B is 1 day work is 1 upon X days. So, again, from this we can find out A plus B is 1 day work equals to, it's a 1 upon 24. From this we can find out 1 day work plus it's a 1 upon X, this one. So A plus B plus 1 day work is this one, and from this A plus B plus 1 day work we can write down. So write down over here A plus B is 1 day work equals to 1 upon 18 part. So according to question, 1 upon 18 is equals to 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon X. You can write down 1 upon 18 minus 1 upon 24 equals to 1 upon X. 1 upon 24 equals to 1 upon X. When you simplify this side, what we have? We take the LCM of both. It's 18 and 24. 18, 24 take LCM. 6 3 6 4 72. 18 4 minus 24 3 equals to 1 upon X, or it is 1 upon 72 equals to 1 upon X, or value of X equals to 72, that is your days. So B can alone complete the work in 72 days. This is your solution. Hope you can understand. Once again, this part is given to us. This line, from this line we can find out 1 day work immediately. Then, do I forgot to find out? A is 1 day work is given. From this we can find out A is complete part 24 days. Again I forgot to come. A is 1 day work. So again B is 1 day work is not given. Suppose X, B is 1 day work is this one. So A plus B is 1 day work 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon X. But when these two are equal to each other, you can equate and solve. This is the solution. Easy. This question says that A and B can leave a certain number of baskets in 12 days and 15 days respectively. Most complete work is given. From that we can find out the 1 day's work. They work together for 5 days. Means combine they complete some part of work in 5 days. Then after that one person can do the remaining work alone. In how many days will A finish the rest of the work? Let's start. First, I am not writing over the B was number because A is work and B is work. I am not right. Next question number 4, I think. Yes, 4. A is work in 12 days. Go figure. This is with these group. A is work and B can complete the work in it's 15 days. It's 15 days. So A is 1 day work equals to 1 upon 12 part. B is 1 day work 1 upon 15 part. A plus B is 1 day work equals to 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 15. It's 16. As in 60, 5 plus 54, 9 upon 60. It's 3 upon 20. So A plus B is 1 day work is 3 upon 20, but they work together for 5 days. So A plus B is 5-day work equals to 5 into 1 day work 3 upon 20. It's 3 upon 4. This much work they complete together. Once again check 16 12 5 is a plus 15 4 is a 9 3 is a 9 3 20 30. Clear. Now remaining work equals to 1 for the complete work minus 3 upon 4. It's a 1/4 part of work is remaining. All these are parts. Remaining work is 1/4 part. Question says that this remaining work A can complete in how many days? So as we know that A can complete one part in 12 days. So we can write So 3/4 part, sorry, 1/4 part. Working how many days? 12 into 1/4. It's a 3 days. This is your answer. Once again, let me clear the concept. A can complete the work given and B is complete work given. From these two, we can find out the A's and B's one day work. Then from this, we can easily find out A plus B's one day work. And if we are able to find out the A plus B's one day work, then we can find out A plus B's 5-day work. Is this one remaining work? We can find out 1 minus 3/4 equals to 1/4 part. Then from there, you can find out the 1/4 part work completed by A in how many days. This is a complete solution. Now, it's up to you. I'm not going to solve question number 5 and 6. It's you to solve. In this case, there is a mixed type of work. Try to solve by yourself. See the examples, then try it. So, today your work is given for complete 1 to 6. 11 complete 1 to 6 question. I discuss all the different type of questions given, then try to solve question 5 and 6 by yourself. That's all today. Thank you.